What's up, y'all? Um, this is a video real fast. God won't let you fail. God will not let you fail. Um, it may feel like that a lot of the times. I've been feeling like that. I've been feeling like I failed, right? But God is saying, I will not let you fail. And I'm hearing Isaiah 54. So yeah, I don't know what Isaiah 54 says. So, God bless you. Be at peace. Wait on the Lord. Trust His timing, and be at peace, knowing God has it figured out for you. And that's it. God bless.